All right, looks like we got both blue and red alliances ready. We'll go ahead and start this match in 3, 2, 1. All right, 0 moving up the field here.
Nobody has an autonomous program yet. Okay, they'll be ready in. They'll be ready here in just a second.
Kelly operator period in 10 seconds here.
Player operated will start in 7 seconds.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Okay, so that's
3, 2, 1.
Over there in the corner.
And we are off. Movement from the blue alliance side and movement from the red alliance side. Looks like one member of the red alliance may not be moving this match. We'll see. Both blue alliance members going. Team 15604 grabbing from the submersible and extending arm. Got 15604 going for a high basket and scoring in our first high basket of the scrimmage.
Good job, girls.
All right, looks like the Red Alliance is looking to move one of their alliance neutral samples into the net zone here, using the very efficient side-to-side method here. It's like going for the second high sample in the basket, and they make it. Team 15604, Tots pulling away in the lead. 37-0 points here.
Keep looking at the girls.
Good. So we've got 20 seconds until that end game bell whistles.
There they go, a third one. Third one in the high basket. One up there.
10 seconds until end game. Tots just putting samples up in their high basket.
All right.
And ejecting a sample. Sample is not reintroduced in the match. And that whistle means it is end game. Teams are now eligible to hang from the bars on the submersible. Looks like Tots is going to just make more points in the high basket. Blue lines running into each other, trying to dance around to get into their climbing zone. We've got 10 seconds left in end game. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Go ahead and have our game animation here.
Good job, girls. Good job, ladies. Nice.
And it looks like we have a blue alliance victory. 52 points to 14. Give it up for blue.